How to use secure PIN for your mobile cash transfer. In order to use a secure PIN for mobile cash transfer, you must set up a dedicated numeric code, often called a transaction PIN. So what here you need to do is simply launch open your mobile banking app or cash transfer app. So after you're logged into your account, simply want to tap on the profile initials at the first page or at the very top. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for security and privacy. There, you just have to go ahead and toggle the button or just want to make sure to go ahead and select security lock. Then you could toggle the security lock on and you will be prompted to create a 4 to 6 digit numeric PIN. And most app will ask you to verify this change by one-time passcode sent to your registered mobile number to confirm it's really you. You could also use PIN during a transfer, like initiate a transaction or maybe to review your details, as well as a secure keypad will appear, and you just have to enter your unique PIN to authorize the movement of funds. So that's how you will be able to secure a PIN. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.